How to play Roblox on Hisense TV. First of all, press the home button on your Hisense TV remote control. Then once you get to this screen, press down until you get to this app section here. You'll see a bunch of apps. You want to go and scroll all the way to the right in this little app section here. Then you're going to see a part where it says more apps. Click the OK middle button there. If you don't see Roblox in this section here, all you'll need to do is scroll along to App Store, then click OK on the App Store. There you'll be able to go ahead and type in Roblox in the top part of the search bar. At the top right hand corner you want to press up and then to the right there. Then once you press the OK button you'll be able to type in Roblox. If you do not see the app pop up for you, you can search the web, so click OK at the top left when it says search the web. There you'll be able to use a web browser to be able to go ahead and click on Roblox. Make sure you don't click the download one, that's not the one you want. You just want the Roblox website link. There you'll be able to go ahead and create an account for Roblox, sign into a current account and play Roblox within the desktop version here. So that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.